How to recover suspended Facebook account. So if you want to recover your suspended Facebook account, then you'll get this kind of interface when you open up your Facebook, right? So you will have we've suspended your account and there are 180 days left to disagree or will permanently disable your account. You'll get this kind of interface. So what you need to do is simply tap on disagree with decision, which is on the bottom of the screen, and it will take you to the next step where you need to enter the captcha or the text from the image and verify. Once you verify, you need to enter the country code and the mobile number associated with your account and tap on continue. And you will receive a code, a 6-digit code to the mobile number which you have just entered. So you just need to simply enter the code and again tap on continue, and it will give you this kind of page where you need to simply tap on back to Facebook, and after that you need to enter your email address, and once you enter your email you need to confirm the code, and after continuing with the code it will say we are reviewing your account, and you will receive a message or a mail from Meta that your Facebook account has been recovered. So that's how you can recover your suspended Facebook account, and if you have any questions feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.